Call detailed records are the billing and metadata records generated for every call, message, and fax that flows through your account and has details like duration, cost, source destination, peak hour analysis, and any other AI-powered insights. Now, it's pretty easy to build it on Telnyx Inference. We are OpenAI compatible API access, and you can get started on Telnyx Inference, where you can get access to all the open source, open weight frontier models like Minimax, Kimi, GLM 5.2, and more. The documentations are pretty straightforward, very easy to follow. Let's get into our demo for this example, where I have some mock data already stored in the folder. So let's go to that particular folder. And now, since my environment is already activated, I'm gonna start my Flask app. By the way, you don't necessarily have to use a Flask app. You can always use ngrok if you so wish. It's very easy for that one too. I started my Flask app, opened a new terminal. I'm gonna just quickly double check my app's status. It's 5,000. All right, status is okay. Now, let's pull the mock data that I already have. It doesn't live in live CDRs right now, but for the demo purpose, I have it uploaded there. Oops, my bad. Gotta change the host. Okay, perfect. As you see that we have the records here available. Now I'm going to check on the analytics summary. Again, gotta make the change here with the host. Cool. It says that, the end and start date of this analytics period, all those data that we have, there are no calls made. Now, you can check it out for peak hours. You can check top routes, daily breakdown, and more. I'm going to just quickly check any AI-powered insights that there might be. Oh. Okay, no data for analysis because there isn't much data involved in it, but you get the point. Once you have an actual data, it can basically show you what are the insights, what are the peak hours analysis, and anything else you want to find out. Now let's go back to this repo. Here, basically, if we go in this Python script, it's simple. You can there are different helper functions. We have one for fetching the CDRs, one for gathering the summary, similar for function for peak hours, and so on. Hope you give this a shot. It's pretty straightforward, and let me know if there are any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.